Hello guys, it's me, mental defective street nigga. I'm gonna do an impression. Though one of those two things of Yuri, Natsuki, and Monica. No, I don't talk like that. That's just my normal voice. Okay. I'm going to. Oh, I fucking set it on mute. I'm going to imitate their like voices because I saw Game Grumps do it and I was like, okay, that was pretty cool. Let's try it with mine. So here we go. My MC is called Smradoljub, so that's me. No, my real name is not Smradoljub. Okay, let's go. Okay, let's go. I guess I shouldn't have done that. This is not original doki. This is MC's revenge. This is MC's revenge. I'm trying to get a good ending, but I'm fucking retarded. And it is from the original game, but it's kind of different. There's new choices, and you have to somehow figure out that Sayori is deleted and try to save her somehow. That's what the mod is about. So just as soon as the good ending, to get a good ending, you need to figure out how will the MC figure out that Sayori is trapped somewhere in a recycle bin or whatever, and you're supposed to save her by somehow figuring out as soon as possible. As soon as MC realizes that Sayori was in the world before, but Monica deleted her, that's when you get the good ending. But I got the bad ending like 100 times because it's too late. I don't know how to get it, so I'm trying my hardest. And let's go. Let us begin. Sorry. You're supposed to breathe heavily. I can't. Smradoljub. Uh-oh, I did something stupid, didn't I? Suddenly, Yuri forcefully grabs my arm and jerks me to my feet. My teacup gets knocked over. Smradoljub. My heart won't stop pounding, Smradoljub. I've done it now. Yuri, I'm sorry, but what I did back there was really stupid. Please try to calm down and don't cut yourself. I can't focus on anything anymore. Can you feel it, Smradoljub? Yuri suddenly presses my hand against her chest. Why is this happening to me? I feel like I'm losing my mind. I can't make it stop. Oh God, what the fuck? It even makes me not want to read. I just want to look at you. I feel like I should pull away, but I'm indecisive. Oh, stop it. Please don't look at me like that. Stop it, goddammit. Oh. It's time to share poems. Let's go with Yuri. As I approached Yuri, I remember something. We were supposed to look at Portrait of Markov, but due to the unusual way yesterday ended, I didn't get a chance to. Yes, I noticed that fucking poster in the background. Or if I did, I at any rate don't remember what I found. Hey Yuri, did you remember to look at Portrait of Markov? No, I didn't, sorry. It's okay. I didn't either. In fact, I don't remember anything about yesterday after I left the club room. That's unsettling. I suppose we'll just do it this evening. Anyway, want to share poems? Sure, I guess. Finally. Yuri holds my palm to her face and takes a deep breath. I love it. I love everything about it. Smradoljub, I want to take this home. Will you let me keep it? Please? Yuri, I'm happy to let you keep the poem, but you should give Natsuki and Monica a chance to read it first. I'll give it to you after the meeting. Okay, that's fine.
You're too nice to me, Smellalub. I've never met anyone as nice as you. I could die. No, not really, but I just don't know how to describe it. It's okay to be feeling this way, right? It's not bad, right?
Yuri holds my bone to her chest.
I'm going to take this home with me and keep it in my room. I hope it makes you feel good when you think about me having it. I'll take good care of it.
I'll even touch myself while reading it over and over. I'll give myself paper cuts to your skin or it enters my bloodstream. Ah! Yuri, what the fuck are you?
You can have my poem too. Besides, after you read it, I know it's really going to want to keep it. Here, take it. I can't wait any longer. Alright, read it!
Yeah, it's a fucked up poem. Sweet reading this poem. Ah, my fucking lord, what the fuck is wrong with this son of a bitch?
Do you like it?
Why would she say that?
I wrote it for you.
Yeah, you're terrifying me. I don't know what's happened to you, but I think you're in serious danger.
Oh, don't worry about me, Smellalub. I'm fine. In case you couldn't tell, the poem is about love and literature. More importantly, I've endowed it with my scent. See, aren't I the most thoughtful person in the club?
Fuck no, this is not happening. Yeah, that.
I think I'm going to vomit.
Oh my god. At least she seems to know there's something wrong with her, but I feel like it's going to come to a head today and I'm terrified because I can't imagine what's going to happen. Okay, next one is Natsuki. Kind of a longer one, but okay. This was alright. Alright. Well, yeah. About as good as yesterday's anyway. I still can't really tell how much you actually care about writing. But either way, you're doing alright. Even though you're really not spending time with anyone but Yuri. I still think it's nice to have activities that we all participate in. So you better keep working hard. I mean, I know I'm not the president or anything, but that doesn't mean you can let me down, okay? So at least read mine too for now. But just to be clear, this poem means a lot to me. So read it carefully, okay? I don't know how else to bring this up, but there's been something I've been worried about. Yuri has been acting kind of strange lately. You've only been here for a few days, so you may not know what I mean. But she's not normally like this. She's always been quiet and polite and attentive. Things like that. Okay, this is really embarrassing, but I forced myself to suck it up. The truth is, I'm really worried about her. But if I try talking to her, she'll just get mad at me again. I don't know what to do. I think you're the only person that she'll listen to. I don't know why, but please try to do something. Maybe you can convince her to talk to a therapist. I've always wanted to try to be better friends with Yuri, but it really hurts me to see this happening. I know I'm going to hate myself for later. No, what the fuck? I know I'm going to hate myself later for admitting that, but right now I don't give a fucking crap. I just feel so helpless. So please, if you can do something to help. I don't want anything bad to happen to her. I'll make you cupcakes or something if I have to. Just please do something. As for Monica, I don't know why, but she's been really dismissive about this. It's like she just wants us to ignore it. So I'm mad at her right now. That's why I'm coming to you about this. Don't let her know I wrote this. Just pretend like I gave you a really good poem, okay? I'm counting on you. Thanks for reading. My phone is on fire, bro. Don't worry, Natsuki. I know something's wrong with her, and I'm going to help her overcome it. I appreciate that you. I changed my changed my mind. Ignore everything you just read. There's no point in trying to do anything. It's Yuri's own fault that she's so unlikable. Can you hear me, Smotherloob? If you would just spend more time with Monica, all these problems would go away. Yuri and I are too messed up for someone as wonderful as you. Just think of Monica from now on. Just Monica. Now! Monica. Just Monica. Just Monica. Fuck Monica. Fuck you, Monica. Bitch ass bitch nigga. Just Monica. Fuck Monica. Oh god, what just happened? It's obvious Monica is up to something. She has a sort of power over this world, I think. Ah, shit. Monica. Smradalub, I think you saw something earlier that you weren't supposed to see. I didn't want to have to tell you this, but I think I have no choice. It's getting kind of dangerous for you to spend so much time with Yuri. I don't know why, but she seems so pretty excitable when she's around you, which shouldn't be a problem in itself. But when Yuri gets too excited, she finds a place to hide and starts cutting herself with a pocket knife. Yeah, I saw that. Isn't that kind of messed up? She even brings a different one to school every day, like she has a collection or something. I mean, it's definitely not because she's depressed or anything like that, but I think she just gets kind of high from it. It might be even like a sexual thing, but the point is you'll be kind of enabling her. I'm not saying this is your fault though, but I guess that's why I had to explain it to you. So I think if you keep your distance, that will probably be best for her. What Monica is saying makes sense, but I get a bad feeling about her. She's the only one I haven't shown any signs of experiencing things like I have. She's the only one that hasn't shown any signs of experiencing things like I have. That makes me think I shouldn't trust her. When you read it, don't be sure to spend a little bit of time with me. But to put it lightly, at least I have it together in my head. And I know how to treat my club members. Anyway, I worked really, really, really hard on this bomb, so I hope that it's effective. She knows. What the fuck? Jeez, it startled me. Well, I guess it kinda messed up at writing this poem. The fuck? What is up with Monica? I was just trying to... Never mind. Let's just move on. No, I'm done. Okay, I showed everyone. I mean Sayori. She's not in the game. God damn it. Yeah, that was it. Fuck you all.